Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we are looking at electric. Electric offers the sounds of classic electric pianos through physical modeling synthesis. So let's dive into it. Here's how the init preset sounds. And here we have 5 sections. So let's start with the mallet. We have the stiffness, which adjusts the hardness of the mallet's striking area. So we have this sound. Then we have the force that adjusts the force of the mallet's impact on the fork. So then we have this noise section. And we can notice it more by lengthening the decay. And here we have the level. Then let's jump to the fork. So here we have the tine, and if we play the same note as before, we don't hear much difference, but if we go to higher notes, we hear how it behaves. Then we have the tone. And finally we have the release. So now let's go to the damper. If we play the same note, we don't hear much difference, but if we go up like this, we hear how it sounds, and it's really subtle. Let's go to the pickup. Here we have the symmetry, then the distance, then we have the input, and also the output. Then we have 2 types, so these buttons switch between 2 different types of pickups. In the R position, electric simulates electrodynamics pickups, while W is based on electrostatic models. So then let's go to the global. Here we have the volume. We have the number of voices. So if we play a chord of 3 notes, we can limit the number of voices at a given time. Then we have the transpose in semitone, the detune, and the stretch tuning. So this adjusts the amount of stretch tuning. Positive values will cause higher notes to be tuned sharper and lower notes to be tuned flatter, while negative values does the opposite. So if we leave it at 0 instead, which is the center position, electric will play with equal temperament. Then we have the pitch bend, and this is the maximum amount we can modulate the pitch bend with the internal clip envelopes. So this is it for this video. I highly recommend playing with presets. There are very different things, such as this one, and percussive stuff. So this is an instrument capable of making very different sounds, and I highly suggest going for presets first so you can learn how it sounds, how it behaves. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.